This presentation summarises our report to Parliament on the results of our 2017-18 financial audits of the 6 main state and local government-owned water sector entities. Please note that this is a summary and the full report can be read on our website. This year, we provided unmodified audit opinions on all water entities' financial statements within the statutory deadline. Readers can rely on the audited financial statements of these entities. We found that entities generally had effective year-end close processes. This allows them to produce quality financial statements in a timely manner. Asset valuation is a significant component of financial statement preparation for water entities. 5 of the 6 entities demonstrated continued emphasis on improving the quality and timeliness of asset valuations. All water entities ensured that asset valuations were completed early, along with pro forma financial statements being provided at or before the agreed milestone dates. 5 of the 6 water entities achieved operating profits in 2017-18. Seqwater continues to make an operating loss, largely reflecting the historical under-recovery of the cost of water. Seqwater's operating loss also reflects its past acquisition of highly geared businesses, including climate-resilient manufactured water assets. Assets increased by $367 million. This was due to a net reevaluation increment of $444 million, investment in infrastructure assets of $580 million, and donated assets of $170 million. This was partially offset by depreciation and amortization of $551 million. Liabilities increased by $194 million due to the deferred tax effect of Seqwater's reevaluation increment, SunWater's dividends payable, and Gladstone Area Water Board's borrowings for new projects. In terms of internal controls, we assessed that the control environment of 5 of the 6 water entities was effective, and we were able to rely on the internal control systems used to produce financial statements. This year, we noted an increased effort in the water sector to resolve prior year deficiencies. All deficiencies identified in 2016-17, including 2 significant deficiencies noted at SunWater, have been resolved. In the future, dam improvement remains a major focus for SunWater. At 30 June 2018, SunWater estimated the future cost of its dam improvement program at $1 billion. These projects are likely to significantly influence SunWater's financial performance and net flows to the government over the next 10 years. Due to the unpredictable nature of climate change, Seqwater has developed a drought response plan that is ready for implementation if the trigger point is reached. Seqwater will need to fund the cost of these responses if they are required. For more information on the results, financial performance, future challenges and emerging risks highlighted in this summary presentation, please see the full report on our website. Thank you.